All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Finally, Sunset Moonrise has arrived. This is from Pitaka, and I mean, I've been waiting a long time to get this case in, and shout out to Pitaka for supplying this case. So this case, obviously is Pitaka, so it's going to give you what you expect. It's the ultra thin for those people that don't really want to wear a case, and it's got the fusion weave design. Armored fiber, and so you got the strong protection, everything. This is just a good look. Now it comes in this moonrise, and it comes in the sunset. The sunset is like a brownish color with different colors in it, purple, orange, you know, with the sunset. This is moonrise. So I'm going to go ahead and get it open here. Man, I've been waiting for this to come. I mean, waiting. It's been a long wait. Oh, look, they got here's some different branding on the back here you can check out. You can pause this and read it if you want to. Most importantly, MagSafe, and that's a good thing. That's the color of it right there. And you can see the color of it here. So if you get the sunset version, it'll be more of an orange. And you see, look at this right here. Pitaka Care. We care for our planet. Recycled 100%. Wow. This is pretty nice. Their packaging has changed. So let's get it open. Oh, yes. I've been waiting for this, man. Oh, man. So they're going all in, man. Look at this. They are going all in. Wow. They're letting you know you're getting what you're paying for. So this is it. Now, I didn't talk about this much online. But oh yeah, this is going to be great. It's got texture on it. I didn't talk about this much online because I was just waiting for it to come. And now it's finally released. The price on this is $69.99. See if you can find some kind of promos or something like that. They also have bundles, where you can, get a screen protector as well. So this is great, man. I am super excited. And it comes, for the Pro is Max as well. Wow. They are going in. What else? Is there something else here? Okay, this is just a little thing. They're doing it big, man. I mean, for the price, you know, you want to feel like you're spending your money a certain way, you know? So, man, this is nice. And if you know Pitaka products, you're not going to be like, oh my God, $70 for the price. Their prices are not like other places. They're going to have a little bit higher price. And so if you're knowing that ahead of time, you know what you're getting into. And if this isn't your tax bracket, then you know what to do. So here you go. Mag Easy Case 5.0 in the Moonrise. They have gone all out with this right here, though. I've never seen them go so deep into it in detail and some of the things, the packaging down to the labels and everything. I kind of wish this Pitaka branding wasn't here, but I know they have to advertise the case. They want people to know, you know, that is their product. And so I get it. If it was another color, maybe a deeper blue or something, other than that, I'm feeling it. So you got your MagSafe there and it goes on. I always go like this first, but I'm going to go ahead and go this way because in the instructions, it tells you how to do it and how to take it off. Now their cases are very difficult to get off. So you have to apply pressure on the corners like this in order to get them off. And it actually worked that time pretty easy for me. So, yeah, that is, oh man, look at this. This is, oh God, this is so beautiful. This is the case that I have been waiting to bring you guys a review on. So let me grab something that's MagSafe. Show you, I got a battery here. Yep. That is a nice strong battery. This battery gets worked over. And then you've got, my blue kickstand. The wallet. This would be pretty cool. I'm going to do some traveling tomorrow. Maybe I'll take this. It's a little big, but it still works. It holds the phone up off the ground too, so that's nice. But yeah, this is the case, man. So looking at the corners here, and the edges, you can see that you've got the power button is open right here. Then you got the volume rocker and the action button open. The top is open. And the bottom is open. Now, some people don't like this design, but in reality, folks, this design is here. And I do have a tempered glass on here as well. And you can see the cover of the camera. It's all in black there, so you don't get any flashes washed out if you use flash. But this case itself has a nice it's a texture to it. I can't describe it, but you will know that you're holding something. You will know that you're holding something. I guess the most important part is that it's MagSafe. I got something else I want to show you in a little bit. If you have a Tesla, you'll love that. If you have a Tesla and you have this case or any of the MagSafe, MagEasy things from Pitaka, you'll like what's coming up next in another video. But here is the case right here, man. I am excited to finally bring this to you. Ultra thin, lightweight. This is how it is done. This is a beautiful case. And it is going to be my case going forward for quite some time, more than likely. So, because I've got a lot of MagEasy things, and it's going to be good, man. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I appreciate Pitaka finally getting this out to me. It's actually been sitting in my mailbox for a couple of days. I just couldn't get it over there, but finally I got this done for you guys. The link is in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.